All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number one, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
A man on probation for aggravated assault is back in court for attacking his girlfriend. As he pleads true to the violation, Judge Stephanie Boyd looks down, knowing this could mean 20 years in prison. But the state has a recommendation. Will she accept it?
All right. The court is calling 2022 CR 5859, State of Texas versus Thomas Nathaniel Henson. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Zach Dunn for the state.
For the defense?
Catherine Valenzuela.
Are you Thomas Henson?
Please remove.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and state's motion to supplement Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Probation. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them?
Yes.
Are you the same Thomas Nathaniel Henson who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 5859 for the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon on September 15, 2022 for a period of 4 years?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Your Honor, on or about the 11th day of August 2023 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant, Thomas Nathaniel Henson, committed the offense of assault in violation of condition number one.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State?
Your Honor, there's an agreement.
The other allegations?
There are none, Your Honor.
Are you waiving?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Any objections to the waivers?
No objection to the waivers. Your Honor.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number one, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number one?
Yeah.
Court will find violation of condition number one true. Is there an agreement?
There is, Your Honor. We had an agreed recommendation to continue and for DDRF.
That is understanding, Your Honor.
All right. Probation, is that your recommendation?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is the wait time for DDRF?
Honor.
The wait time is 6 to 13 weeks. Do we have any other alternatives?
State ISF cognitive track, Your Honor, that wait time.
All right, but will that address the issue? Because DDRF, I'm assuming there's a mental health issue.
And Your Honor, that had been the first recommendation. Then he did the tap about, and that's why we got to DRF. But the first recommendation had been ISF cognitive.
All right,
Sorry.
no problem.
So yes, the original recommendation was for the state ISF cognitive track, but we did an updated tap while he's been in Bear County, and the recommendation changed for DDRF due to the mental testing.
All right, so the new number one, who is the complainant? I mean, what is the relationship?
She's been my girlfriend.
Girlfriend. All right, and are we doing no contact with the girlfriend?
I believe there had been, she did sign an affidavit of non-prosecution. We did enter a plea to proceed with the treatment that he believes he does need, Your Honor.
All right, so I'm going to order no contact with that person. And then once his mental health is stable, we'll do something different. Do you understand? I'm sorry, you need to speak up. All right, so do you have anyone else that you can live with? Mother?
I wasn't just living with her. She was living. She was staying.
Okay, you're mumbling. I can't understand. I can't hear you in the court report. I can't hear you.
I wasn't living with her. She was staying with me. So.
All right, so do you have your own place?
Yeah.
So who were you living with?
Yes, I was staying with my grandma.
All right, so you need to stop inviting people to live with your grandmother when she's already have you living with her. You understand?
And
So were you supporting yourself at all? Or were you just dependent upon your grandmother?
I mean, I wasn't paying rent, but I wasn't.
Were you working? I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Sometimes.
So that means that you're not bringing in a stable income and you're bringing somebody else into your grandmother's house. That's a big no-no. You understand?
Yes.
All right, probation, anything with Center for Healthcare Services or?
Your Honor, I think. And I know that the state waived and abandoned the other allegations, however. He last reported to probation in March. So that's a concern for us. Right before he absconded, he did produce one negative UA, the others were positive. He did not complete his hostility management course that was originally mandated. I think our concern would be that he would abscond again without actually getting the help that is necessary.
All right, do you want to go to prison? Because we can do that. Then why are you behaving as though you want to go to prison by not reporting? That's the easiest thing on the planet to do. You're obviously not working, really. So you're just watching television with your grandmother or something, or putting a burden on her where she has to feed you and then you're bringing a girlfriend into the house. That seems like all you were doing and not doing well on probation. Do you want to go to prison for up to 20 years? All right, this is what I'm gonna do. I'll deny the motion. There's to be no contact with the complainant, whatever her name is, give that to probation. So the complainant and condition number 1, you are not to have any contact with her. Do you understand? So as far as your probation is concerned, that relationship is over. Do you understand? Do you have any children with her? So that relationship is over. If you end up violating my order and having contact with her, you could potentially go to prison for 20 years. Do you understand? And we're going to do state ISF, cognitive and substantive track. And then we'll see where that leaves us.
Okay, Your Honor, I do want to point out that the way that state ISF is being ran now, it's not a double track anymore. It's either one or the other.
We'll do cognitive.
Thank you, Judge.
And then after that, when he's released, we'll put him on GPS, partial for work, until further notice. And you to reside at your grandmother's house. You understand?
Oh.
And Your Honor, for Mr. Henson's benefit, what are you looking for, or what is the court looking for so that he could get off GPS? I mean, just so that he knows, like, if he's always reporting, attending.
Oh, he needs to show me that he's actually taking this probation seriously.
Okay.
If you're not taking it seriously, what's going to end up happening is a motion to revoke is probably going to be filed. And instead of you worried about GPS, you'll be looking at potentially 20 years in prison. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. And see probation if those fees can be waived.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Judge Stephanie Boyd's courtroom crackles with tension as Thomas Nathaniel Henson pleads true to assaulting his girlfriend, a blatant violation of his probation for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. As the state recommends treatment over prison, Judge Boyd launches a searing interrogation. She exposes his months of absconding, positive drug tests, and the stunning audacity of moving his victim into his grandmother's home while unemployed. "Do you want to go to prison for up to 20 years?" she demands, highlighting how his self-sabotaging behavior points toward that very outcome. In a decisive ruling that blends strict oversight with a final opportunity, Judge Boyd destroys his excuses but denies full revocation. She orders him into a cognitive treatment program, mandates absolute no contact with the victim, and imposes GPS monitoring upon release. He is restricted to his grandmother's residence with the GPS staying on until he proves he takes probation seriously. Her final warning is a devastating ultimatum: comply perfectly with this strict regime or face the revocation of his probation and a potential decades-long prison sentence. This is his last chance.
Alicia Marino. And probation, this is an application. Court is calling 2022 CR 6082A State of Texas versus Alicia Marie Moreno. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Yes, Your Honor. Luis Echeverria for the state of Texas.
Defense?
Andrea Matos for the defense.
Are you Miss Moreno?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Miss Moreno, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
And did you sign it? Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, the state moves to waive and abandon counts 1 and 2, proceed solely on count 3, state jail felony, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that the state is proceeding on count 3, which is theft $2,500 to $30,000? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from up to a $10,000 fine, anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state and the court does not follow your agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, sir.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Moreno, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count 3. There's a $500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication, and there's to be restitution to whom?
Judge, it's to, well, it's going to be both to the Texas Lottery Commission and that amount.
Do you all did not put that in your agreement?
Well, Judge, I want to leave it open so that probation can ascertain it, but according to the prosecution guide, it is $1,870 to the Texas Lottery Commission and $2,929 to Easy Mark. Would you like me to write that
All
in,
right.
Your Honor?
Yes, you all need to write in here, not necessarily the amount if you don't agree to it, but to the parties.
Can I may approach?
Yes. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And also there's to be restitution, if any, to the Easy Mark and the Texas Lottery Commission. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the agreement. The state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 50 hours of community service restitution, no contact with Easy Mart at 415 Southwest Loop 1604 East, and the theft course. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, sir.
Then to the offenses charged in count 3, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence?
Your Honor, the state moves to offer into evidence State's Exhibit number 1 No attachments.
Any
No.
objection?
No objection, Your
All
Honor.
right. Ms. Marine, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly, voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding the guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we would just ask that you follow the agreement that we've made with the state and give her deferred adjudication.
All right. So how old are you?
36,
Do you have any children?
2,
Ages?
13 and 16.
Are you currently employed?
Yeah, full time.
All right, what do you do?
I work at the TJ Maxx warehouse.
If you're tested today, what are the results going to be?
Negative, I mean, positive
All right, what are you going to be positive for?
marijuana
How often are you using marijuana?
a few times a week.
Why?
It helps me sleep and helps me with my anxiety.
All right. Well, when you're on probation, you're not allowed to use marijuana. You understand?
Yes,
So do you have a diagnosis?
no,
So you're going to have to stop using marijuana. All right, this is what the court will do. The court will sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication. There's to be a $500 fine. Excuse me. $500 fine probated. Restitution, if any, to Easy Mart, that's Easy Mart. And the Texas Lottery Commission. 50 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once that's completed, the restitution hours will be deemed satisfied. They want you to have a theft class. Look, here's my theft course for you. Don't steal, don't take what doesn't belong to you. That's it. If you take something, you need to pay for it. You understand?
understood.
All right, there's going to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Could we do a referral to Center for Healthcare Services and a MIC evaluation? And it's going to be regular UAs, and I'm going to want her tested for levels. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. We'll do field visits 1 time per month until she is either with Center for Healthcare Services or in the MIC caseload. Probation, is there anything else she needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. You're going to have to do better. Fast money is not good money, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
understood. Thank you.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Your Honor.
Once she talks to probation, they'll excuse her.
Yes.
Thank you.